Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the Checkout Upsell plugin. And in this video, we're going to learn all about Double the Order campaign. Well, the Double the Order feature is an efficient way to increase sales. Customers can simply double their order with one click and often do so with a special discount. It is especially effective when customers buy items in bulk regularly, such as food, cosmetics, or household supplies, etc. This campaign allows you to increase the value of your purchases and get double the products and double the joy of your shopping experience. Let's get into the video to know how to set this campaign up in detailed steps. Well, to create a campaign, we'll have to go to the Checkout Upsell dashboard, to the Campaigns tab, and start creating the campaign. Click on Create New Campaign to start creating a new campaign, and the campaign type that we're going to select now is Double the Order campaign. Nice. Let's click on the campaign, which will allow us to configure one. Let's start by entering a name for this particular campaign. I'm going to call it Double the Order, just for our understanding. And then let's get into the details of this particular configuration. All right. So here comes the CTA text, which basically asks customers to do something. So the text goes like this: click here to double your order and get a discount. You can feel free to edit it if you want according to your needs. And then comes discount type and the value. I'm going to give a 50% discount. All right. So let me select percentage discount here and set the value to 50. Next comes discount coupon label. So this 50% discount is going to be applied in the form of a coupon in the card. And that's why we are asked to enter a discount coupon label. I'm going with the default one that is given here, which is discount. You can also feel free to edit it if you want. After we set the discount value and the discount coupon label, you will see other things such as display location, the template, etc., which I'm going to show you later. All right. But right now, we're going to make this double the order campaign a little bit interesting. So what we're going to do is we're going to allow customers to double their order only if their cart subtotal is greater than or equal to a specific value. So to set a condition based campaign, then we'll have to go to this condition section and choose a condition. You can see several conditions here, but the type that I'm going to select now for this video is going to be a cart subtotal condition. Click on add condition, so the condition is expanded, and here you can select greater than or equal to or any of your choice. I'm going to set greater than or equal to at least 100. All right, great. Nice, that is it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to simply save and close this particular campaign, and you'll be able to see that the campaign is created successfully. Great. Now let's check how this works by going to the storefront. Well, let's go ahead and add some products to the cart. I'm going to be adding this cap and then this polo t-shirt, right? So now let's go to the cart page. We qualify for doubling the order because our subtotal is right now 150, which exceeds 100 as said in the condition of the rule. Now let's proceed to checkout. And on the checkout page, you'll be able to find the CTA, the block which allows you to double the order. All right. So if I click on this, you'll be able to notice that the cap 1 and polo 1 changes to cap 2 and polo 2. Great, isn't it? And you can also notice that the discount is applied. Here we go. Great, isn't it? Now let me also talk about the other options that were available in the campaign configuration. Let's go back to the campaign that we have created previously. We have display location on the checkout page. Right now you can see that the doubling the order, the CTA is present here. You can, however, choose to change the location of this particular text. For doing that, we'll have to go back to the campaign configuration. And here you can go for either before payment gateways or before place order button, etc. Let me try changing this to after place order button. And let's save this particular campaign so that the changes are retained. And now if I reload this particular checkout page, you'll be able to see that the CTA, the double the order CTA, has moved further below the place order button. Great. Next, we also have options to edit the look and feel of this particular CTA text that is available on the cart page for this particular campaign. You can do so by clicking on this change template button and select one that suits your needs. Let's go for this one. Great. Here's the preview of the CTA text. You can also go for custom styling if you want by clicking on this enable button. Now you can go for a different color or template styles, etc. I'm going for a green one because green is my favorite color. So yeah, nice. And then you can also choose a different border. Likewise, you could also go for a background color. Great. Nice, isn't it? So let me just save this setting and then take you to the checkout page, reload this page to show you that the CTA text is customized. Great. So this is all about doubling the order. Here we go. Make your shopping experience extra special with our double the offer feature. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity and get the most out of your shopping adventure. Join us today and start enjoying the benefits of double the joy.